So today we're going to talk about back pain. Back pain is very common and its symptoms can cause significant disruption to everyday life. Nearly 10% of people globally have lower back pain, and it's the leading cause of disability worldwide. However, lower back pain can be improved with exercise and sometimes other treatments also. It is very important to exercise in order to improve your lower back pain, but also for the other health benefits that exercise offers. So exercise can reduce your risk of chronic diseases, it can improve your mental health, and it can improve your muscle mass and your bone density, which helps to reduce falls as you get older. Therefore, it's important to find a type of exercise that you enjoy and that doesn't aggravate your back pain, so that you can improve your back pain and also utilise all the other health benefits that exercise has to offer. The World Health Organization recommends a minimum of 150 minutes of moderate to vigorous intensity exercise per week for both adults and older adults. On a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 is no effort during exercise and 10 is maximum effort, moderate intensity exercise is between a 5 and a 7, and vigorous intensity exercise is 7 or above. Some types of exercise that we recommend for people with back pain include swimming, walking, yoga, Pilates, exercise classes specifically for people with back pain, and exercise sessions run by a physio or by a personal trainer who has experience in managing back pain. As with any new exercise program, it's important to talk with your consultant or with your GP first to make sure that this type of exercise is appropriate for you. And if you do have ongoing back pain, it's important to speak with your GP to check if there may be an underlying cause, which may require specific treatment. Before we go on, we're going to talk briefly about the traffic light system, which is a method of making sure that you're exercising within the safe levels of pain. If you can imagine a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 is no pain and 10 is maximum pain, you ideally want to be exercising between 0 and 3, which is the green level or the green light. And then if your pain is between a 4 and a 5, you're in the orange light zone, which means that you may want to modify your exercise to try to bring you back down to the green zone. So an example of modifying this activity would be reducing your weights if you're using weights, reducing your reps, reducing your sets, or reducing the overall difficulty of your exercise. And lastly, if you're exercising between a 5 to a 10, you're in the red zone, which isn't really a zone you want to be in while exercising. So you really do want to modify your exercise using the methods we just mentioned. If you tried modifying your exercise and you're still in the orange or the red zone, we'd recommend trying a similar type of exercise until you find a type of exercise that doesn't aggravate your pain or leaves you in the orange or the red zone. So pain the day after exercise is something that's commonly misunderstood, and it is quite normal to have some pain the day after exercise. Normally this is muscle pain or soreness, and small amounts of this is okay to have the day after exercise. However, if your back pain is significantly worse, it is a good idea to try to modify your activity. So we're going to use the example of a yoga class for this. If I attend a yoga class and my back pain feels okay on the day, but then the day after my back pain is significantly worse, I may want to try exercising at a lower intensity during that yoga class, or I may want to try doing easier exercises. And if my back pain is still worse the day after, then maybe I could try a different type of yoga class, or failing this, you could try maybe a different type of exercise class until you find something that you enjoy and that also doesn't make your back pain worse. So the general idea is to try different types of exercise until you find something that either makes your back pain better or at the worst doesn't aggravate your back pain, and of course it should also be something that you enjoy.